I'm saying, like, I'm really promoting Brody and shit. Like, niggas really not fucking with him though. Like, Brody go off the dome and he writes some shit. Like, it's a beautiful problem coming out in a minute. Like, I'm promoting this shit, but like, he giving it his all. Like, he really don't give it his all because it's too easy. Like, niggas make it look easy, but we really do it. You see, coppers out early morning. That's what they do. They patrol. We patrol too, but in a different way. You heard? So like, I mean,
just basically gonna strip it over on this music shit.
Yeah.
Flip everything around. Turn it up and down, everything. You know what I'm saying? I got this, man. Got this shit in the bucket. You know what I'm saying? You already know, man. It gets no better than this. You understand what I'm saying? From a long way, my nigga.
I mean, it's wet city. I mean, we call it wet city. We don't get wet, but we know a lot of niggas that get wet. But when you get wet, they cause confusion. So we bring the tech, you heard? But it ain't nothing. It's a movement.
Do what you do. How the fucking you eat fucking telephone poles for life, nigga? I'm not here to judge nobody, my nigga. I don't give a fuck what you do. You know what I'm saying? I'm out here, I'm doing what I'm doing, nigga.
It's not what you do, it's how you do it. If you do anything you put your mind to, it's called mind over matter. We had to take the streets over, you heard?
And that's what's gonna happen. The streets is definitely for a taking. You know what I'm saying? Believe that. The streets is definitely gonna be taken. We're on a mission out here, man.
I'm saying, I'm with my boy Sean Don Street Bully. You heard? We pull up in any hood and get too much love. That's why we don't really go in this hood.
I'm here.
We don't want that much love.
I'm here. I go where I gotta go, man. I be where I gotta be. I do what I gotta do. Alright, stretching, losing sleep, nigga. So good, baby. So good. Panamera flow. DuPont Registry. You know what I mean? Moving them Panameras and all that. You know what I'm saying? Going from goddamn Buicks to fucking Chevys and all that. We'll turn them shits to fucking Panameras.
They gon' hate us when we ready to
Astons. Bugattis, catch your body for that new Bugatti and all that. You understand? Catch me on DuPont Registry, my nigga. You know what I mean? Mandela Fetty, nigga. Free Betty. You understand what I'm talking about? From crumbs to bricks. You understand what I'm saying?
Quick 16 real quick.
Over that Max B joint. Swerve on them. Listen, man. I ain't me trying to go too much. I'ma go in. And when I go in, I'ma go in. And I reap what I'm sowing, shots throwing. Don't give a fuck where you at, man. My dog's blowing. Cops patrolling, yeah, they on my back. But I don't care about that, man. I'm about these stacks, about these stacks, about these stack. Move these bundles by the packs. Don't give a fuck where you at, man. These niggas rats, so I gotta stay low. Yeah, I gotta stay low. Running around stressing out my gray fro. Gray hairs everywhere. Everywhere. They wanna see where I'm at, homie, I'm everywhere. In your hood, I'm heavy there. Yeah, from PH to Midtown, Lex Ave uptown, I gets down. Catch me on Midland and Carvin where shit is starving. Bring it to the 10th, man, fiends marching. Catch me on the west side, the best side. Even from the east side, I feel that's the west side. Cause mommy's with the curly hair. They got,